That should be enough for today.
So this is all you're gonna eat?
Yeah.
Why did you get so much?
Because I keep eating it. Like, I eat like that much like every day, and then I'm still hungry. So then I have to come get more. But then I'm still hungry after I eat it.
Wouldn't you rather eat something that's gonna fill you up, nourish you, give you sustenance?
What do you mean? This is good. It tastes good. Is it even real? What is this? It's not really even real. This is what I eat. What? You want me to come spend time with you? Oh, well, I gotta finish all this Cool Whip first. I have a lot to go. Okay. Alright, well, I'll let you know when I'm done eating Cool Whip. I love you too, bye. It's such a nice day outside, but I gotta eat this Cool Whip. Oh my gosh, I totally want to play my guitar and practice it, but I gotta eat this Cool Whip. I'm just so hungry. So I'll get around to it after I eat this really important Cool Whip. Oh man, I totally want to finish these paintings that I started. That would be so fun, but I gotta eat this Cool Whip. As soon as I'm full, I'll start painting and playing the guitar and go outside and spend some time. As soon as I'm full from all this Cool Whip. I have had 4 tubs of Cool Whip this size today, and I'm still like totally so hungry. So I guess I'll eat some more because I can't stop feeling hungry. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about this little Cool Whip diet that I've been on. Probably 20 tubs a day of Cool Whip. And I've given it up. This is what I realized when I started doing this curriculum, and this is what I really want you to get out of this. I want you to think about all the things in your life that you're stuffing yourself with and that you never feel satisfied. One of the things that, a huge funk that I was in a couple of months ago, and I couldn't figure out what it was nothing was feeling real or authentic or special anymore. And I didn't know what the problem was, and after talking to some good friends, we talked about the way that I spend my time each day. And a lot of it is virtually, you know, you're looking online, you're looking at blogs, you're looking at Facebook, you're looking at what everybody else is doing in their life. And then you're filling it with things that, you know, that are good, they taste good, but they're not real and they're not nourishing you, you know. And so all the time that I was spending, a ridiculous amount of time online, a ridiculous amount of time, I'm embarrassed to tell you how much, was making me feel so unsatisfied with my own life and so confused and so just lost, kind of, you know. When you're comparing your life to everybody else's, the worst parts of your life to everybody else's best parts of their life, or you're saying, oh, they're doing this, should I be doing that because I'm doing this? And then you start doing things because you think that's what you're supposed to be doing, but really maybe it's what they're supposed to be doing, but not what you're supposed to be doing. You start losing focus on what you're supposed to be doing, your unique purpose, your unique mission. And you start filling your life with more things to try to feel good at the end of the day. Now, the way that I was feeling at the end of each day, I wasn't able to sleep, and my biggest problem that I was having during that time is that I felt like I could never, ever, 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 ever do enough. No matter how much I worked, no matter how much I accomplished, no matter how much I created, no matter how much I did anything that I was doing, every night when I would go to sleep, I just had this massive anxiety that I didn't do enough. And it's just like eating Cool Whip. It's like eating 20 things of Cool Whip a day is never going to nourish your body. It doesn't have the stuff in it. It doesn't really have anything in it that you need except for a little bit of fat. Everything else is just like pretty much nothing. It's air, it's water, it's a little bit of oil, some corn syrup, If you live your whole life on this, you're never going to feel satisfied. You're never going to feel nourished. You're never going to grow the way that you're supposed to grow. And so I am going to tell you from me to you that if you're on the Cool Whip diet and your life is filled with things that kind of taste good, but they aren't nourishing you in any way, and in fact probably being kind of destructive to your spirit and your soul, that it's time to get off the Cool Whip diet and it's time to start eating fruit and vegetables and things that were put on this earth and intended for you to do, because there are things on this earth that are intended for you to do, and that's what this is all about. So as you're making your goals and going through the next couple of weeks, and especially this week when we're going to start talking about the goals that you really want to do, think about whether it's a Cool Whip goal or whether it's a chicken salad goal, you know, whether it's just a really great, wonderful thing to do to nourish yourself with. I have given up the Cool Whip, and I am on a whole foods diet. I'm on a whole soul diet. I'm on a whole life diet, and it is changing my life. And that's what I want for you. So let's keep the Cool Whip on top of the pumpkin pie, and then let it go for the rest of your life. I mean, get out there and start living. Let's start having a real, solid, beautiful, natural, productive life that's meant just for you. So here we go. Welcome to week 3. I am going to take my Cool Whip and I'm going to throw it away, and I'm going to ask you to do the same. Welcome to week 3. Let's go. Come on. Woo! No more Cool Whip. Let's go live. Let's go live our life.